In this problem, we are asked to subtract two fractions. So since we're subtracting fractions, we need to have a common denominator. And so to begin, let's simplify each of these denominators by factoring them. And this will hopefully make finding a common denominator slightly easier. So, in our first fraction, we notice that we can factor out a 3 from its denominator, and we are left with 3 times the quantity x plus 3. And then in our second fraction, we notice that we have a difference of squares for the denominator, so we will have x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 3 in the denominator. Now, we notice that we have the quantity of x plus 3 that is common in each of these fractions. So that tells us that the second fraction just needs to be multiplied by 3, and the first fraction needs to be multiplied by the quantity of x minus 3. So we can do that. We have x plus 1 times the quantity x minus 3 minus the quantity of x plus 7, and that is multiplied by 3. And that is over our common denominator of 3 times the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 3. Now, we want to simplify this even further. And we can simplify by FOILing this first term and distributing in the second. So with our first one, we'll be left with x squared minus 2x minus 3, and that is minus a 3x minus 21 over our common denominator, 3 times x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 3. Now we can combine our like terms in our numerator, so we are left with x squared minus 5x minus 24 divided by 3 times the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 3. And if we factor our numerator, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to a negative 24 that will add to a negative 5. So we have x minus 8 times the quantity of x plus 3 over our common denominator, 3 times the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 3. And now you can notice once again that our quantity of x plus 3 divide out to 1. So when we rewrite this, we have the quantity x minus 8 divided by 3 times the quantity of x minus 3. And we can distribute this 3 in the denominator, so our final answer will be x minus 8 divided by 3x minus 9, and that answer is C.